Study finds climate change is bringing more intense rains to U.S. Atmospheric scientists noted the trend was prevalent in nearly every region of the country. Higher temperatures means the air can hold more water, so it makes sense. It also means areas will dry out more as the air will steal more water. Having the same amount of precipitation, but having it come in a handful of times instead of consistently can't be good, right? I imagine it would result in more runoffs and flooding. In the Intermountain West, periodicity is a huge issue. We rely on winter snowpack for our water. Intense rains are generally mostly left to runoff. Here in Oregon, it's a big issue for fish and farming.